Good morning, friends. Today I am going to talk about Databricks. Uh, as you all know, Databricks is one of the very important tool as far as ETL is concerned. However, understanding and depth from architecture point of view is very important. So it has number of features. Let me talk one by one. One is data exploration. When we want to basically involve in data engineering activities, we are talking about five V's: volume, velocity, and varieties. So, in order to handle this variety and volume of data, we must uh, have the capability as far as ETL tools is concerned. So, Databricks support that. It has large scales open source library in order to do data explorations, in order to transform the data, in order to cleanse the data and put into the right format. So, open source library, which is Apache Spark, is integrated with Databricks to make sure that you are able to seamlessly do your ETL stuff. Number two, AI, artificial intelligence is no longer a uh, a kind of nice to have feature. It is a mandatory feature now for any analytics projects. So ML flow is can be integrated with Databricks in order to industrialize your machine learning model. Moreover, there is a data science library which you can leverage to understand your insights from data and make sure that it is it is insightful for your organizations. So, machine learning capabilities as well as industrialization and operationalizations of your machine learning model can be also done through Databricks. Third and very important is multi-cloud options. Databricks is not tied with any cloud vendor, either it is AWS, Azure, or Google. You can deploy your Databricks or you can host your Databricks into this multi-cloud environment, and then you are uh, free to strategize your tool architecture. Primarily, you are not coupled tied with uh, any vendor, which essentially means you are risk free. In the near future, you can go ahead with any cloud as far as your organization strategy is concerned. The future is open because in case of Databricks, because since you are not tied with any cloud vendor and you are mostly making your capability using open source library, it is very easy for any organizations to switch uh, to the future roadmap that you have, because open source uh, are not integrated. Open source are free to move in the any direction that required, but there is no underlying dependencies. So all in all, data explorations, AI capabilities, multi-cloud options, and the futuristic design is one of the very important aspects as far as uh, Databricks is concerned from a strategic point of view. Now, scalability is another factor because these are hosted in the AWS and Azure cloud. You can quickly scale it as per your need when there is no tightly coupled with computing and storage. So you can independently scale computing resource and the storage resource as per your data volume grows as per your need of the use case. So it is very important that we understand the scalability features. As long as now they have introduced this data lake, uh, primarily when you leverage this data lake, what it means is you are seamlessly integrating your outside data into data lake and also doing some of the operationals and data wrangling activity in the same uh, framework. This gives then options for data governance in the one ETL tool, right? So security is also one of the important feature that has been integrated in Databricks. All in all, Databricks is a way forward tool from ETL perspective in today's scenario, considering when there is a large volume of data, large varieties of data, and of course you need real time and batch processing kind of data, which is very important in today's context. So Databricks is definitely way forward tools from data engineering activities. That is my thought. Let me know what you think. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.